Uh, Good morning, friends. Today I am telling about MCQ questions relate with Constitution. So let's start today's video. And question number 1 is, which of the following article cannot be suspended even during emergency? Right answer is Article 20 and 21. Next, number 2. Which article of Indian Constitution has the provision for national emergency? Right answer is Article 352. Next, number 3. Under which article President of India can proclaim constitutional emergency? So, right answer is Article 356. Next, number 4. How many type of emergency are there in the Indian Constitution? Right answer is 3 type of emergency in our India Constitution. Next, question number 5. Financial emergency related to which article? Right answer is Article 360. Question number 6. How many fundamental rights are mentioned in Indian Constitution? Right answer is 6 fundamental rights. Next, question number 7. How many fundamental duties are mentioned in Indian Constitution? Right answer is 11 fundamental duties. Next, number 8. How many type of rights are there in the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option 5. Question number 9. How many members of upper house means Rajya Sabha can be nominated by President of India? Right answer is 12 members. Next, number 9. How many members of upper house can be nominated by President of India? Right answer is 12 members. Question number 10. President of India can be removed from the office by? Right answer is Parliament. Question number 11. The Sharda Act is related to? Right answer is child marriage. Question number 12. The Jammu and Kashmir State Legislative Assembly has a tenure of? Right answer is 6 years. Next, question number 13. Indian Planning Commission was constituted in? Right answer is 1950. Next, number 14. Which article given special status to Jammu and Kashmir? Right answer is Article 370. Question number 15. Who is the first Governor General of India? Right answer is Lord Mountbatten. Question number 16. Who is the first and last Indian Governor General of India? Right answer is C. Rajagopalachari. Next, question number 17. Who is the first Lok Sabha Speaker? Right answer is G.V. Malvankar. Question number 18. Who designed Indian national flag? So, right answer is Pingali Venkaya. Question number 19. Who among the following appointed the Governor of the state in India? Right answer is the President of India. Question number 20. How many schedules are contained in the Constitution of India? Number is 12. Next, question number 21. Who appointed the Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court of India? Right answer is the President. Next, question number 22. Article 368 of the Indian Constitution deal with? amending procedure. Question number 23. Which type of emergency has not been declared so far in India? Right answer is financial emergency. Next, number 24. In which year the first amendment of the Constitution was held? Right answer is 1951. Question number 25. Which of Amendment Act is related to goods and service tax like GST? Right answer is 101. Question number 26. Which constitutional amendment bill lowered of the voting age from 21st to 18 year? Right answer is 61. Question number 27. Which bill cannot originated in Rajya Sabha? Right answer is money bill. Question number 28. The first Indian actress to have been nominated to the Rajya Sabha was? Right answer is Nargis Dutt. Question number 29. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India? Right answer is Dr. B.N. Rao. Question number 30. The Parliament and the Constitution are instrument of? Right answer is legal justice. Next, question number 31. The term of Finance Commission is? Right answer is 5 years. Next, number 32. Which of country have an unwritten constitution? Right answer is UK. Next, question number 33. Where is the national emblem of India taken from? Right answer is the lion capital of Ashoka and Samrat. Question number 34. When was Indian government adopted national emblem of India? Right answer is 26 January 1950. Question number 35. Number of spokes in Indian national flag? Right answer is 24. Question number 36. What is the ratio of length and width of national flag? Right answer is 3:2. Question number 37. When was Indian national flag adopted? Right answer is 24 January 1950. Question number 38. What is the time limit of national anthem? Right answer is 52 seconds. Next, number 39. Who wrote the national anthem? Right answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 40. Who wrote the national song of India? Right answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Next, question number 41. Who estimate the national income for the first time? Right answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 42. Who is the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India? Right answer is Hiralal Kania. Question number 43. Who is the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress? Right answer is Sarojini Naidu. Question number 44. Who is the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Right answer Annie Besant. Question number 45. Which is the first state in India formed on the basis of language? Right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Question number 46. Who is the first ICS of India? So right answer is Satyendranath Tagore. Question number 47. When is Human Rights Day celebrated? Right answer is 10th December. Question number 48. Taxes belong of central government. Right answer is excise duty custom duty, income tax. Question number 49. A money bill under the Constitution of India tabled in the. Right answer is Lok Sabha. Question number 50. Which one of the following cannot be dissolved but can be abolished any time? Right answer is State Legislative Council. Question number 51. The first meeting of the Constitution Assembly. Right answer is 9th December 1946. Next, number 52. The last meeting of the Constituent Assembly. Right answer is 24th January 1950. Question number 53. When was national flag of India adopted? Right answer is 22nd July 1947. Question number 54. By which amendment the right to property has been omitted? Right answer is 44th. Question number 55. Who is addressed as the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Right answer is Vice President. Question number 56. When was Rowlatt Act passed? Right answer is 1919. Question number 57. From which country the process of impeachment of President of India is taken? Right answer is USA. Question number 58. India and China signed Panchsheel Pact in the year. Right answer is 1954. Next, number 59. How many languages are officially recognized in India? 22 languages. Question number 60. In which year India became the capital of India? 1911. Question 61. Maximum strength of Rajya Sabha. Right answer is 250. Question number 62. Who was the first chairman of Planning Commission? Right answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 63. Who appoints the chairman of UPSC? Right answer is the President. 64. Question number. First general election held in 1951. Question number 65. In which state was the Panchayati Raj first introduced? Right answer is Rajasthan. Question number 66. Who fixes the poverty line? Right answer is NITI Aayog. Question number 67. What is the maximum gap between two sessions of a parliament? Right answer is 6 months. Question number 68. In which year did the cabinet mission arrive in India? Right answer is 1946. Question number 69. Panchayat Raj comes under? Right answer is state list. Question number 70. SAARC was formed in? Right answer is 1985. Question number 71. Which is the lowest unit of local government? Right answer is Gram Panchayat. Question number 72. Who is the first Viceroy of India? Right answer is Lord Canning. Next, number 73. What is the minimum age required to become Vice President of India? Right answer is 35 years. Question number 74. NITI Aayog has been formed to replace which of the following institution? Right answer is Planning Commission. Question number 75. In Indian Constitution, the method of election of President has been taken from which country? Right answer is Ireland. Question number 76. Which of the amendment is also known as the mini constitution of India? Right answer is 42 amendment. Question number 77. The chairman of NITI Aayog is? Right answer is the Prime Minister. Next, number 78. When was the first 5-year plan launched in India? Right answer is 1st April 1951. Question number 79. Who is the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha? Right answer is Speaker. Question number 80. Article 1 of the Indian Constitution declare India as Union of State. Question number 81. How much time it took for Constituent Assembly of finalize the Constitution? Right answer is 2 years, 11th month, 18 days. Question number 82. The number of Union Territory in India is? Right answer is 7. Question number 83. The maximum duration of which the President's office remain vacant is? Right answer is 6 months. Next, number 84. The Supreme Court of India established in? Right answer is 26 January 1950. Next, number 85. Which article of the Constitution provides special right to the President? Right answer is Article 361. Question number 86. The state of Nagaland has a special protection under which of the following article? Right answer is Article 371A. Question number 87. Who was the first Indian to become member of British Parliament? Right answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 88. Who designed Sansad Bhavan? Right answer is Edwin Lutyens. Question number 89. To which category right to vote belongs to? Right answer is political right. Next, number 90. The Chief Minister is appointed by? Right answer is Governor. Question number 91. Article 60 of the Indian Constitution refer to? Oath of Presidents. Question number 92. Which state assembly has the maximum number of members? Right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 93. The Constitution of India does not mention the post of? Right answer is the Deputy Minister of India. Question number 94. Who administers the oath of office to the President? Right answer is Chief Justice of India. Question number 95. The first Law Minister of Independent India was? Right answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 96. The first Education Minister of Independent India was? Right answer is Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Next, question number 97. Who is the known as the first law officer of India? Right answer is Attorney General of India. Question number 98. Which of the terms were added by the 42 Amendment Act in our preamble? Right answer is Socialist and Secular. Question number 99. Preamble is known as the heart and soul of Indian Constitution. Question number 100. The President addresses his resignation letter to the? Right answer is Vice President. Question number 101. The first woman governor in independent India was? Sarojini Naidu. Question number 102. Who is the known as the father of Indian Constitution? Right answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 103. From which constitution was a concept of a 5-year plan borrowed into our constitution? Right answer is USSR, Russia. Question number 104. The idea of the Constitution of India was flashed for the first time by? Right answer is M.N. Roy. Question number 105. Who is the first Governor General of Bengal? Right answer is Warren Hastings. Question number 106. Which act created for the first the Supreme Court? Right answer is the Regulating Act 1773. Question number 107. Which one of the following acted as the provisional president of the Constituent Assembly? Right answer is Sachidanand Sinha. Question number 108. The Constituent Assembly elected on first Parliament chairman. Right answer is Rajendra Prasad. Question number 109. Who elected the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? Right answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question number 110. When was the Constituent Assembly established from the Constitution? Right answer is 9th December 1946. Next question number 111. The Constitution of India was adopted on? Right answer is 26 November 1949. Question number 112. The Constitution of India came into force on? Right answer is 26 January 1950. Question number 113. The Constitution of India is? Right answer is written by bulky documents. Question number 114. How many articles are mainly in the Indian Constitution? Right answer is 448 articles. Question number 115. How many parts are mainly in the Indian Constitution? Right answer is 25. Next, question number 116. How many schedules are mainly in the Indian Constitution? Right answer is 12. Question number 117. Right to Information Act in India come fully into force in October 2005. Question number 118. In which year the House of the Unit People as the Lok Sabha? Right answer is 1954. Question number 119. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha address his letter of resignation to the? Right answer is Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question number 120. The Prime Minister of India was appointed by the President. Right answer is President. Question number 121. The idea of single citizenship taken from which country? Right answer is Britain. Question number 122. Who appoints Chief Election Commissioner of India? Right answer is President of India. Next, number 123. By which procedure the President of India may be removed before the expiry of the terms? Right answer is impeachment. Next, number 124. Who appoints the Attorney General of India? Right answer is President of India. Question number 125. Who is the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Right answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next, question number 126. How many members were there in Constituent Assembly? Right answer is 389 members in Constituent Assembly. Question number 127. Constituent Assembly is based on which structure? Right answer is unicameral. Question number 128. Who was the chairman of the Minorities Committee? Right answer is Harendra Kumar Mukherjee. Next, question number 129. Who was elected the President of Constituent Assembly after Sachidanand Sinha? Right answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 130. What are the two major languages the original constitution written in? Right answer is Hindi and English. Next, question number 131. When Hindi became the official language in India? Right answer is 1950. Question number 132. Who is the constitutional head of the Indian Union? Right answer is President of India. Next, question number 133. Constitutionally, who is the second powerful person of India? Right answer is Vice President. Question number 134. One of the basic character of Indian Constitution is? Right answer is judicial review. Question number 135. What is the major basic feature of the Indian Constitution? Right answer is fundamental rights. Next, question number 136. What is the constitutional name of India? Right answer is Republic of India. Question number 137. The fundamental right features borrowed from which nation? Right answer is United States of America. Question number 138. The Panchayat Raj system came in existence by the 73 Constitutional Amendment. Next, question number 139. Fundamental rights have no value without? Right answer is right to constitutional remedies. Question number 140. Which state has a separate constitution? Right answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 141. Where was first municipal corporation set up in India? Right answer is Madras. Question number 142. When was Panchayati Raj system introduced in India? Right answer is 1959. Question number 143. The constitutional status has been given to panchayats under which article? Right answer is 243 article. Question number 144. Which Indian state has no Panchayat Raj institution? Right answer is Nagaland. Question number 145. The Finance Commission is constituted under which article of the Constitution of India? Right answer is 280. Question number 146. English is official language of which state? Right answer is Nagaland. Question number 147. What is the maximum age limit for the president? Right answer is no limit. Question number 148. Who is the first Muslim president of India? Right answer is Zakir Hussain. Question number 149. Who is the first president of declare national emergency? Right answer is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Question number 150. Who was the first president of India elected without opposition? Right answer is Neelam Sanjeev Reddy. Question number 151. Who is the first Chief Justice of India? Right answer is Hiralal J. Kania. Question number 152. Which article in Indian Constitutional fives the power of right jurisdiction of Supreme Court? Right answer is Article 32. Next question number 153. Who is the first female judge of Supreme Court? Right answer is Fatima Bibi. Question number 154. In which amendment did Primble amended? Right answer 42 amendment. Next number 155. Maximum age limit of Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Right answer is 65 years. Question number 156. Maximum age limit for Chief Justice of High Court. Right answer is 62 years. Question number 157. Fundamental duties are mentioned in which of the following part of Indian Constitution? Part 4A. Question number 158. Who among the following is not a member of any of the two houses of our country? Right answer is President. Question number 159. Indian citizenship is granted by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Next question number 160. Which institution has the final authority of interpret the Constitution of India? Right answer is Supreme Court of India. Question number 161. Appointments for All India Service are made by? Right answer is President. Question number 162. The residuary powers of legislation under Indian Constitution rest with? Right answer is Parliament. Next 163. The President can dismiss a member of the Council of Ministers. Right answer is on the recommendation of the Prime Minister. Question number 164. Right to privacy comes under? Right answer is Article 21. Question number 165. Which of the following is not provided in the Constitution? Right answer is Planning Commission. Question number 166. Who was the first woman Speaker of Lok Sabha? Right answer is Meera Kumar. Next question number 167. The minimum number of members that must be present to hold the meeting of the Lok Sabha is? Right answer is 1/10 of the total membership. Question number 168. Who has the power of prorogue the Lok Sabha? Right answer is the Lok Sabha. Next question number 169. Who has the right to decide whether a bill is a money bill or not? Right answer is Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Next question number 170. Which type of democracy do we follow in India? Right answer is representative. Question number 171. The minimum age limit for the membership of the Vidhan Parishad is? Right answer is 30 years. Question number 172. All doubt or disputes in connection with election of the President are inquired into and decided by? Right answer is Supreme Court of India. Next question number 173. Which constitutional amendment acts deal with the disqualification of MPs and MLAs? Right answer is 52 Amendment Act. Question number 174. Who is the chairman of National Integration Council? Right answer is Prime Minister. Question number 175. Planning Commission of India was? Right answer is a non-constitutional body. Next, question number 176. When was NITI Ayog established? Right answer is 1st January 2015. Question number 177. Under which of the following article the Election Commission was established? Right answer is Article 324. Question number 178. In which year anti-defection law was passed by Indian Parliament? Right answer is 1985. Next, question number 179. The national political party is one which has attained 6% of total vote. It. Right answer is 4 or more state. Next, question number 180. By which bill government presents a proposal for annual revenue collection? Right answer is Finance Bill. Question number 181. Which of the following Chief Justice of India had the opportunity to act as President of India? Right answer is Justice M. Hidayatullah. Next, question number 182. The law formed by judiciary is called? Right answer is case law. Next, question number 183. Which amendment act raised the age of retirement for judges of High Court to 62 from 60 year? Right answer is 15th. Question number 184. A proclamation of emergency under Article 352 on account of war or aggression requires approval of Parliament within? Right answer is 1 month. Question number 185. The Indian Constitution is made up of how many words? Right answer is 80,000. Question number 186. Indian Constitution is? Right answer is quasi-federal. Question number 187. Which of the following act suggested the post of Comptroller and Auditor General? Right answer is Act of 1919. Next, question number 188. Which of the following languages were added in 8th schedule later? Right answer is Sindhi, Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali language. Question number 189. Part 8 is related to? Answer is Union Territory. Question number 190. In which year were the Indian states recognized on the linguistic basis? Right answer is 1956. Question number 191. The unification of Karnataka was achieved in the year? Right answer is 1956. Question number 192. Which state was formed after the amendment of Article 239A and 240? Right answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 193. How many members of the Rajya Sabha are elected every 2 years? Right answer is 1/3. Question number 194. How is the President of India elected? Right answer is by single transferable vote. Next, number 195. According Article 75(3) of the Constitution of India, the Council of Ministers are collectively responsible of the? Right answer is Lok Sabha. Question number 196. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the institution of Panchayati Raj? Right answer is Article 40. Question number 197. Minimum age required for person to become governor of a state is? Right answer is 35 years. Question number 198. The Constitution does not have the provision of impeach. Right answer is governor. Question number 199. Who use the real executionary power of state? Right answer is Chief Minister. Question number 200. In which state does the governor nominate women to the assembly? Right answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 201. The ordinance by the governor are subject to approval of. Right answer is President. Question number 202. How many legislative assembly seats are in Delhi? Right answer is 70. Question number 203. Which of the following Constitutional Amendment Act deal with the elementary education as a fundamental right? Right answer is 86th Amendment Act. Question number 204. Which Constitutional Amendment Act deals with the disqualification of MPs and MLAs? Right answer is 52 Amendment Act. Question number 205. Which one is known as the lower house? Right answer is Lok Sabha. Next question number 206. Which one is known as the upper house? Right answer is Rajya Sabha. Question number 207. Which of the following are constituent of Indian Parliament? Right answer is number 1, the President. Number 2, the Council of State, Rajya Sabha. Number 3, the House of People, Lok Sabha. Question number 208. The appointment of governor is adopted from which country? Right answer is Canada. Question number 209. The president can dissolve the democracy on whose say? Right answer is Prime Minister. Question number 210. 42 Constitution was revised in which year? Right answer is 1976. Question number 211. How many states have two-tier legislature? Right answer is 7 states. Question number 212. Total number of high court in India? Right answer is 25. Question number 213. Rashtrapati Bhavan has total. Right answer is 340 rooms. Question number 214. Which Indian PM had the longest tenure? Right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. So guys, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe this video. Thanks.